A dashboard is a graphical and nice way to display all missions in a certain board or in numerous boards. It is possible to give access to all the team members or only a certain group, for example the leading team of the team. Within the dashboard you can get information displayed in different ways through different widgets. One of the most useful widgets in FRC is the countdown. This widget is essentially a countdown to a certain time. In our team we use it to display the time left to the kickoff and the different events. With this widget, the team members will be able to get a sense of time about their work. It is also possible to share a bulletin board, in which the team members will be able to write updates and important messages. It can be decorated with colors, lists, links, emojis, and many more. Another useful feature is website embedding within the dashboard. It can be done very easily by copying the link of the relevant website. For example, in our team we have embedded the first website, and specifically the place where they post updates to allow easy access to all the team members. You can also embed different views from the boards in the dashboard so it will always be visible to us. One of the options is the Gantt view. The Gantt view is essentially a timeline which displays the different missions in relation to the dates and each other and create a clearer schedule. Another way to display missions is the workload. In this way, missions can be displayed by the people in charge of them and see the workload on different people in different time periods. With this feature, missions can be assigned strategically, and the team leaders can see who is free and who is busy and operate accordingly. The cutest way to display all of the different missions is the llama farm. This view is a llama farm with each llama representing a mission. The llamas are color-coded by the mission's status, and you can slowly see your farm turn green as the season progresses. We highly recommend this feature. There are many more tools and different stuff that can be added to the dashboards, and we highly recommend to search more features that can fit into your team's dashboard.